I want to now tell you about the Woodworkers Workshop. It's run by Peter Sefton, a very, very well-known and very accomplished furniture maker, and he runs a school there. Woodworkers Workshop has got a website and they sell things. And I've actually been to talk at one of their shows once, which was a great compliment really, considering I'm a rubbishy old woodworker. But anyway, you'll have seen me using time and time again some things like this. And this is the INCRA Precision T-Rule. And you can mark to the nearest 1/4 millimetre. There is an imperial version of this as well, but you can mark to the nearest 1/4 millimetre if you wish to. And it's dead easy. There's your piece of wood, pencil 0.5 millimetre lead, and all the holes are 0.5 millimetres, so you can then just make a mark very simply, very, very accurately. I bought the short one first and then I went and got this long one. I probably only use this one about 20% of the time because I don't need to go over the 150 millimetres, which the other one does. But it's just as accurate. It's really, really good. So I got those. You'll have seen me using those a lot when I'm marking up for domino work. I think you know I've got this thing about squareness, hence the path guide system and so on. And this is my engineer's square. This is a 300 millimetre one. From the Woodworkers Workshop, made by Fisher, and this is about, I think it's about £55, something like that. Whatever it is, I'll put it up on the screen now. And two items that Woodworkers Workshop sell made by iGaging. One is Absolute Origin calipers, and these really are super duper and really well made. I've had this one for, I think, 5 years. Never gone wrong. I think I'm on my 3rd battery for it now. And then there's this angle cube. I find this particularly useful on my Festool table saw, my little baby table saw, when I want to set the blade at an angle. Because it's got magnets here, attach it to the blade, zero it when it's in the upright position, and then rotate the blade until you get the angle you want.